Hello! I want to keep talking about our Mother Earth today, our Mother Planet, because our relationship with her is so important. It is actually the very foundation of our existence here, as we are embodied in one of her various realities. So, you might have already heard the Earth referred to as Gaia. So, where does that name come from? Originally, it comes from Greek mythology. Gaia was the name of, well, of the Earth. In ancient Greek mythology, two beings were the first to emerge from the original chaos, and these beings were Gaia, the Earth, and Eros, love, which is an interesting connection, if you ask me. There is a deep truth behind that, and I'm just realizing that as we speak, because I hadn't thought of that myth for a really long time. So there is that very close association between planet Earth and love. In more recent times, the name was made popular again when the researcher James Lovelock published his book The Gaia Hypothesis, in which he presented, well, the hypothesis that the planet was in fact a unified organism, a single unified organism, and you know, he was using the scientific method, so he wasn't going very far in terms of the spiritual aspects of life. So he wasn't really exploring the fact that the planet has awareness, consciousness, and is a very sentient being, highly intelligent. But, you know, because his book was very popular and had a great impact in the New Age circles, they adopted that name Gaia as the identifier of the planetary being. And the reason why I want to talk about that name today is that there are levels of reality. There are levels of reality, and Gaia would be best described to me as the name of the surface personality of the Earth. So we all have a surface personality, an ego construct, and deeper layers of being as well. So for me, Gaia is the ego of the planet, her surface personality. Now, her core identity, for me, the name Sophia is a better match. Sophia is also a Greek name, by the way. It's always the Greeks, you know. Sophia means wisdom in Greek, which is a very appropriate name for our planet. And it is one of the names that in the Western esoteric tradition, and particularly the Gnostic tradition, is most commonly used to name the divine feminine, It is really a name for the divine feminine, and that's why I believe that the core identity, the deep individuality of our planet is would adequately be named Sophia. It's the name I use, so you're free to come up with your own names, but that one is very significant and adequate to me. Alright, so I'll see you soon again for another video.